For this chili crisp, we will need 1 cup of chili flakes, 1/2 cup of sunflower oil, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1/3 cup of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of tamari or light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 1/4 cup of honey. We'll go ahead and stir all this up till it's nice and homogeneous. We'll store this in a jar in the fridge, and over the next couple days, the mixture will break down and the chili will infuse into the oil and the honey. Well, after we've given our chili crisp some time for the flavors to gel, I put it on a nice piece of baguette here, and let's give this a shot. Oh wow. Well, the sweetness from the honey, savoriness from, and there it is, there's the heat. It's quite a hot, but man, is it delicious. You get that savory flavor from the sesame seeds and the sesame oil. Wow, that's delicious. Well, thanks everybody. I hope you give this a shot. If you want a very complex flavor of some heat, savoriness, sweetness, this is the perfect topping for you. In the description below will be the recipe, the Herbivores recipe from theherbivore.com. Make sure to check out a lot of her other recipes. Thanks everyone, and have a great rest of the day.